So let's see how to create the website inside our Cyberpanel. Just click on, when inside Cyberpanel, just click on websites, then create a website. Then you're going to see this population, select package, just select the default package, you're running as an admin, then define the domain name that you want to include. Do not enter www. It will be automatically created. Just include your domain name, the domain name that you want to use to be accessing your MailWizz. All right. Then just put any email address. Then choose PHP version that you want to run the MailWizz script on. My advice when choosing PHP version is that you should choose from 8.1, either 8.1, 8.2, or even 8.0, because 7.2 has a lot of issues. You'll be able to install some PHP extensions if you're running it for 7.4. You can actually run it on 7.4, but I'm going to give you a code that is going to help you to force the call extension. All right, that is going to help to perform some server-side operation like HTTPS and SSL certificate and all. Because MailWizz actually require the call extension to be enabled before you can successfully run the MailWizz application on your server. So when running it on 7.4, you might get the call extension error. All right, but I'm going to give you a command that you use to install the call extension, and if the call extension is not working, you can actually reload the server and it's going to work. I'm going to provide you with everything. But if you're running it on 8.1 and 8.2, there's a very high possibility that you're not going to face any issue. Let's just choose 8.1. In additional feature, just check out the VPN support, create nature domain, create your domain. So your website are just finished creating. If you call here and click on list websites, so as you can see, you've already added the inbox.store domain name. You can also add your own specific domain name, and it's going to be showing just like this one. Then look at manage. This is where you can manage all the files and folders that are going to be related to this particular domain. All right. For instance, this is the domain where we are going to be uploading our MailWizz so that we can be able to access MailWizz in maybe inbox.store/mailing or /MailWizz or any directory that we're going to be creating to upload our MailWizz files. But the reason for this, for creating websites, is because you actually can create a lot of other websites. All right. If you want to add another domain, you can actually click on create website again. And just at this time around, a kind of configure the same reverse DNS that you did before, you are going to be achieving this through name servers. All right. You are going to also go to your domain registrar account, for instance, for those that want to use this for web hosting services. You can come back instead of choosing normal basic DNS, that choose custom DNS. All right. And this time around, you are going to add the name servers of the web hosting company where you want to use to host it. All right. For our own case, we are running this on Vota. You can now add the Vota name server. If you're running this on DigitalOcean, you can also add DigitalOcean. Running this on DreamHost, you can also add the DreamHost name server. Each VPS company or share or cloud hosting company have their web name servers, which you can add to your domain account and manage your DNS and also host with them. All right. So let's go back. Let's cancel this and go back. If you go to, you can either click on this place and just click on manage. Let me just open it. So scroll down. You can add domains. You can list domain. You can add an alias. You can also automate tasks using cron jobs. But that is not what we want to do. We want to access our file manager where we're going to be able to upload our MailWizz. All right. So this is our public_HTML. This is the root of our website. This is the root of our website. If we want to access any resources or any website through inbox.store, which is the root of our domain name, we are going to be uploading the files directly here. for instance, if we access inboxhood.store, we are going to be seeing index.html. I'm pretty sure. So as you can see, we have this file, we have this interface, we have this page, Cyberpanel installed. You have successfully installed Cyberpanel. Please remove this page and upload your website. So this particular page that you're seeing here is actually this file, this index.html file. What you can do is to delete this file now, delete this particular file and upload your own file, or either your website or your application. But in our own case, we are going to be uploading MailWizz. All right. Let me delete this, skip trash. Okay. So this is where we are going to be uploading our MailWizz. In the next video, we are going to see how we are going to upload our MailWizz and start running the installation script. All right. So then,